Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Legacy Trader indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us identify the trend in the market. It also generates buy and sell signals for us, and we can use the existing line as a trailing stop as well. When the line of this indicator is below the candles and is blue, it indicates an uptrend. When the line is purple and above,
learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
the candles, it indicates a downtrend. We can enter a sell or buy trade when the purple or blue line starts to appear. And we can use this line as a trailing stop, moving the stop loss higher along with this line for a buy trade, for example. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the number of candles in the chart's history that the indicator uses for its calculations. The next option is the font size of the text displayed here, which can show downtrend or uptrend to indicate the current market trend. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us in the comments section to help improve the indicators.